Who said low carb desserts can't be delicious, quick, easy, and high in protein? And that is exactly what you get in all of the recipes that I am showing you on the screen. Thank you guys so very much for being here. And now that you are, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to hit that notification bell as well so you will always know when I upload new content. Yes, you guys, every dessert that you see on the screen is everything that I just said it was. And today I am bringing you another dessert for one, a mixed berry parfait that is quick, easy, delicious, low carb, and high in protein. You guys, everything that you need to put it together are on the screen. So when I come back, I am going to show you how to put all of this deliciousness together. All right, you guys, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get right into this recipe, starting with the filling, which the base is cottage cheese, which I have made smooth and creamy by putting it into my NutriBullet, whipping it until all the curds are gone. And we are going to add to the protein content by putting in some vanilla protein powder. And the one that I use, I will leave the link in my description. Some sweetener of choice. I'm using allulose. And of course, if your preference is unsweetened honey or maple syrup, then you do exactly that. Go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, you guys, everything is well incorporated. All right, so now at this point, we are going to add some lemon zest. And lemon, you guys, just has a tendency to just brighten the flavor of whatever it is that you put it in. So let's go ahead and zest some of this right into the mixture. And of course, as little or as much as you like, because remember, you guys, you are making it your own kind of special. The fragrance of this lemon just brightens the room too. Okay, let's give this a taste and see if we have enough. Perfection. So now, guys, we are going to move on to the next, and that is cutting up these berries. In front of me, I've got some blackberries, I've got some strawberries. You choose the berries of your choice. It's a mixed berry recipe, and again, it is all about doing what makes you happy. So let's go ahead and set this aside and go ahead and cut up these berries. Now, what you can also do too, you guys, is that you can put these berries in a bowl and add some sweetener if you feel like there's too much tart to it. I think these berries are sweet enough on their own. And these are going to add such beautiful color to our mixed berry parfait. Okay, so we got the berries here, the blackberries. Now to our strawberries. Get the stem off. All right, you guys, so these are my berries. Now, I definitely have too much for a dessert for one, but tomorrow is another day. So, so with that, it is time to assemble this. Just that simple. So I've got my mini dessert cup here. I think this is, matter of fact, this is 3 ounces. I'll leave this in the description as well, as far as where you can purchase it from Amazon. So what we're gonna do is layer in a little bit of filling at the bottom, and we're just going to alternate between the filling and the fruit. Let's start with some of these blackberries here. Some more filling. And some strawberries. And you guys, you get the idea. And we're just going to keep going until we get to the top. Take a look at this deliciousness. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely inviting, and just that simple. Okay, how much time did that take? So anyway, at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it in the refrigerator, just so it can chill out a little bit, because I do like this chilled. And then when I come back, we are going to give this a taste. This dessert just screams summertime, you guys. You have got the fresh sweet berries along with the vibrant tang of this lemon. And who would know that the base of this recipe is made out of cottage cheese? You don't tell, I won't tell. Lord, I thank you. Look at this. Wow. Really delicious. Wow. Again, this is an example of a quick, easy dessert that you can make that still is low carb, sugar-free, that you can put together in a matter of minutes. So that way you don't go binging, okay, if you get the taste for a dessert, you guys. Again, everything that I showed on the screen at the beginning of this video is exactly the same thing. Easy, low carb, sugar-free, high protein, and absolutely delicious. Give it a try, and when you do, leave in the comments that you did, and also remember to give this video a like and a share, and please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload deliciousness, you guys, such as this. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit Fab 50, and enjoy.